Hey Brent, in my online video culture class, our week 3 homework assignment is to discuss metadata, what it is, how to use it, and why it's important. Metadata is everything when creating online video content. It's the video's keywords, title, tags, descriptions, annotations, and captions that help search engines understand the content and helps viewers find videos, and it helps with processing, providing context, and managing videos archives. There's different types of metadata. There is direct temporal metadata, which is a time-based metadata. It's the content within a video. Production and editing is used with this. It is like a closed caption type. Every take of a video should have metadata within it, a good description to help with specific keywords. It helps people who are searching it find it easier, and helps describe it better, and it narrows down the search of other videos. For direct temporal metadata within production, it's supposed to highlight parts of the script and keeps track of different aspects within the take. It describes the clapperboard and the technical info, and it's for the editor. When you send it to the editor, it is more specific for them and they can find it easier, and a viewer will type in the keywords, and they can find the related videos for a more efficient search. Metadata should have general and specific keywords, and the more defined and detailed metadata you have, the more sub-bins and bins it gets put into, and more specific ones. Yeah, so basically metadata is for videos to be found and processed, so your videos can be searched and people can find your videos, and helps viewers know what's in the videos, so people don't watch the entire videos if it's pointless or anything like that, and helps editors know what's in the videos and the content within it. And yeah.